Alpus Property Development, www.alpusgroup.com. Telephone Alan on 07539 141 257 or email alan@alpusgroup.com. Alpus is currently seeking property development sites in Chichester. Do you have a commercial or residential property? Is your property surplus to current requirements? Would you like to dispose of your property? If your property meets our investment or development criteria, we may be interested to purchase from you. We have criteria for commercial and residential development. We will quickly check if your property meets our investment criteria and advise you whether it's a match for us or not. Talk to us and register your interest in selling your property. We will check against our requirements in your area and we will advise you whether we think we can do a transaction with you or not. Alpus also operates a referral system, so you can earn a cash fee from introducing an off-market property that we subsequently purchase. So what this means is that if you have friends or family or acquaintances who own a property, you can refer those people and that property to us, and you can earn yourself a cash referral fee once we come to a purchase transaction on that property. So the amount of the cash referral fee would depend on the value of the property purchased. We redevelop buildings to suit modern society, so we repurpose buildings to satisfy what is currently in demand. Alpus subscribes to green building policies and environmental protection. So get in touch with us today. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. You could earn yourself a cash referral fee by introducing an off-market property that we subsequently purchase. We may be able to conclude such a deal quickly, and we'll try to conclude a deal where the seller and ourselves are in a win-win situation, as well as the referrer of the property. So here are our details. Alpus Property Development, www.alpusgroup.com. Telephone Alan on 07539 141 257 or email alan@alpusgroup.com. We look forward